Penn State Extension presents Using Key Food Safety Phrases during the 4-H Cooking Challenge. Studies show that incorporating food safety instructions into recipe direction improves food safety behaviors. Based on the 4 core food safety practices: clean, separate, cook, and chill, the key phrases to include at appropriate steps within the recipe directions are provided here. The first direction is to start with clean countertops and equipment. The second direction is to wash your hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds and then dry with a single-use paper towel. The third direction is, if fresh fruits, vegetables, or herbs are included as ingredients, to place an asterisk after each item in the ingredient list, and use one or all of the following steps as applicable. Gently rub fresh fruits and vegetables under cold running water. Scrub firm produce with a clean vegetable brush. Pre-washed, packaged items do not require further washing. Gently rinse fresh herbs under cold running water. There are additional phrases that could be added into the recipe directions depending on which ingredients you are using in your recipe. Some of these phrases are: do not rinse raw meat or poultry. Use a different cutting board for raw meat, poultry, seafood, and produce. Cook the food item until the temperature reaches the minimum internal temperature on a food thermometer. The following temperatures should be inserted into your recipe directions depending upon the food item. If not serving food immediately, refrigerate at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 4 degrees Celsius or lower. Refrigerate leftover food in shallow containers within 2 hours. Use within 3 to 4 days or freeze for future use. For a full list of additional food safety phrases, please see Penn State Extension's Key Food Safety Instructions for Recipes.